Hi guys. No? Uranya, uranya, uranya. Hi, welcome na naman sa panibagong video. Paalis po kami, mag-grocery. Naka-orange yung mga tao ngayon for sure. Kasi nga, maglalaro ang Netherlands versus... Who's Netherlands? Playing against bang? Poland. Agoy! Sus, Ginoo. Poland pa jud. Ang flag na mo. Oh, yan, di ba? Pag pumunta tayo sa Centrum for sure, makikita nyo din sa daan na maraming flag na nakalabas na. Ito lang yung shirt ko, oranye or orange fan. Tapos ganito. Si Ana din naka orange shirt din. Let's go na lang. Mag-grocery po muna kami. Mamaya punta dito ang mga kaibigan ni Ruth. Dito sila manonood sa bahay. Happy ka si Ana. Malaking Yumbo Woods Gap. Yung mga orange flags o po kaming mag-grocery pero punta muna ako sa Hema kasi nga may bibilhin ako yung para sa sunscreen sa sasakyan ba kasi mababiyahe kami soon. Si Ana sa si Rod naghihintay lang sa parking kasi medyo irritable si Ana ba. Dito, pasok tayo dito. Dito lang yung hahanapin ko eh. Ito lang yung pinunta ko dito. Ang dami pang ngayon, daming sale. Balik na tayo sa sasakyan. Nagtanong yung babae, yung staff doon, nagtanong siya, manonood ba kayo ng football ngayon? Sabi ko, oo, kasi nga, di ba, naka-orange, may orange fan pa akong trip. Yung na tayo.
Kunnen, hè? Zeker. Dat klopt. Ik krijg je net de foto van de vader.
No, oranje.
Oh, goede speler vroeger.
Start na hapit.
Een hapje? Wil papa op de schoot zitten?
Hi guys, hindi ko na kayo nabalikan kasi nagmadali na kami pala kanina. Hindi man ako nakapag-haul but hayaan nyo na. Si Ana po andun sa taas. She's taking a bath. And then ako naman dito ay gumagawa ng mango float kasi may natira pa akong mangga. So yan. Wala akong graham pero best alternative yung Marina biscuits ng Yumbo ito. Kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis. I like this one. So next time na gumawa ulit ako ng mango float, ito yung gagamitin ko. And then, ang ginawa ko, kasi konti lang yung mangga, inanulong ko na lang siya. Parang naging mango shake siya ba. Minix ko siya sa condensed milk, tsaka yung sa Nestle cream. So, ayan na. Masarap po to siya. Pangalawang beses ko na tong ginawa and then super sarap. Super nagustuhan ni Mr. Kaso nga lang, hindi mo makikita na yung mangga unlike the first one that I made. Kasi nga, minix ko na siya. Next time, pag maraming mangga, si mahal guys. Okay.
Let it go!
For the first time.
Forever, there'll be magic where we are. This for the first time, forever.
1 week na po yan siyang nanonood ng mga musical ng Disney and ginagaya niya ba? Mali-mali yung lyrics pero gustong-gusto niya yung mga kanta. Okay, patuloy ko na naman po itong vlog natin bukas.
The next day.
Good morning. Ready na si Anna. Nagre-ready, I mean, for school.
I don't want to go to school.
I don't want to go to school now. High chair ka ha. Oh, sige na. No, this is kapot. No, kapot. Ana. Sige na, dili na. Don't play with it. Huh?
Play beaches now.
Yeah, but that's from the way say. Here, sit here. Here, come lingkod. Ashobli, because I need to fix your hair. Bottle. You don't play with Maya anymore, love?
Mara?
Yeah?
Nee.
Don't you play with Mara anymore?
Nee, Mara zegt nee.
Yes, ze wilt niet met jou spelen?
Nee.
Okay. Yeah, but that can happen, huh? Some kids don't want to play with you.
Ik ga het alleen met Noah.
Okay. That's also okay. But it's nice that you play with someone.
Ja, jongen, meisje. Ik ben toch een meisje.
Huh?
Ik ben toch een meisje.
Yeah, you're a girl, of course.
Jij bent toch een jongen.
Mama is not a boy.
No.
Who's a boy in this house?
Mama.
Hmm?
Mama. Papa is wel een jongen.
Yeah, Papa is a boy, hè?
Ja. Papa is een
Sige na,
boy.
sit properly na, and then I will fix your hair. Papa is a girl?
Yes.
Wala. Sama na, oy. Is Papa a girl di ay?
Yes.
Unsa naman tayo tani? Di ayaw na. Concentrate on your food. Mama will do the hair. Hindi ba sige duwa lagi sa pagkaon lagi? B is your youth banda. Susan.
Nee.
V. Annika?
Nee.
V dan.
Juffrouw Hamming.
For maandag.
Ja.
Eh, echt
Maar
waar?
vandaag komen juffrouw Hamming op mijn klas.
Ah, okay. Lahi-lahi yung teacher everyday? Hangga? Lahi-lahi yung teacher everyday, no?
Yes.
Lahi ang teacher sa Monday, under youth Dinsdag, Woensdag ook, andere? Ja?
Ja.
Saan ito na nakasuglay? No princess siya heart today, ha?
Maar Ik wil naar prinsess gaan.
Yung princess hair day.
Mm.
Pagkaon. Pagkaon, Ana. Your time is almost up, ha? Ring na ang timer ni mo.
I do nog wel.
No, it stopped already.
Water, zo clean.
Don't move too much on that. So Mama can fix your hair. I don't like your hair gel, Tom.
Wat?
I don't like your hair gel.
Oh, sorry.
I thought it's like a glue, a stick, but it looks like a glue stick. Sige na, ang timer for the apple is clear, ha? Biscout na ta. Sige na. Papa is by the car. When Papa is done, then you have to go already.
Maar papa moet nog wel aankleden.
I know, but then it will not take Papa too long, huh? To put on clothes. Don't move too much. Mama likes it when you have nice hair. You have nice hair, Mapuda, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your hair. You like your long hair?
Hmm?
Do you like your long hair?
Ja.
No, Papa is outlawed, huh?
Maar papa moet nou nog aankleden.
I know, but like I said, it doesn't take long for Papa to put on clothes, and then Papa will come down. And then Papa will ask, Allah, you're not done yet, Anna. Papa will ask, are we ready to go?
No.
So mag-no lang ka, kaya di mag-yung ka ready. It's gonna rain today lang.
No.
Yeah, so I think you will not play outside. Where do you play when you can't play outside, like when it's raining?
Maar je doet zo jas aan.
Yeah, I know, but then you will still get wet. I think the teacher will say, okay, you don't play outside, but it's raining.
Maar ik wil wat
If it's raining, then it means you cannot play with Noah, no, because you only meet Noah outside.
Maar als het stoom met regen, dan doet het stoom met regen dan.
When it stops raining, then you can play with Noah, you mean?
Ja.
Oh. You really like Noah, no?
Ja.
Is Noah your lieveling?
Ja.
He's your beste vriend?
Ja. Mama.
Daarom.
Mama.
Ah,
Ik woon niet bij Noah's klas.
wat zeg jij?
Ik pas niet op Noah's klas.
Nee. Noah zit in een andere klas, toch?
Ja.
Yeah. That's why you cannot go with Noah because he goes to another class.
Nee. Maar Noah wil mij vinden.
Yeah, Noah is your close friend. I know Noah is your favorite.
Ja.
Wait. Look down a little bit. Very good. Libog pa po kung saan niya mo kung last one. Yesterday, Orania won, ha? Na football ba?
Wat?
Yeah. Papa, Paul, Dean, and Robbie Quinn, they were watching football.
Maar ik heb net geen busje gekeken.
Yeah, but then we went up after that. Remember?
Dan moest ik bij jou zitten.
Kasi nung na mo sipon. Ay, wala ka nang saba nga nagtuok lang na mo sipon, di ha? Ayaw lagi, don't wait lagi till the sip-on gets to your lips. You have dukia, man. You will bring your dukia, ha, babe? Put your dukia here, babe. In your pocket. I bought this one so that your baby hair is not in the way. So in your face. And then it's more comfortable when you play. Oh, your biscuit is not mitla. Naunsan ng gitaan eh.
Maar ik eet toch geen appel?
Apple, the timer for your apple is done, huh?
Er is geen prinsessenhaar.
Sana po na
Er
yun.
is geen prinsessenhaar.
Nee, it's not princess hair. Do you want to see? I will take a picture of it. Ano yung hair niya?
Nee, mama.
Sana.
Ik wil ook een prinses.
Yeah, it's also princess hair.
Nee.
May sipon po to eh. Pinabaunan ko ng tissue niya. Di ba? Pasensyaan na yung pagmumukha natin, guys. Yung routine namin sa umaga, ako po yung usually nagre-ready sa kanya. And then yung tatay niya yung naglalala sa kanya sa school. Kasi papunta na din si Ruth sa work. So, sabay na din sila ba. So, yun. And today, Monday man siya. So, wala akong work sa umaga. So, I can take my time. Pero pag Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, may part-time ako. So, maaga akong gumigising to get her stuff ready. And then, hinire-ready ko din siya. So, tapos, umaalis na po ako. Good morning! Oh, ansa naman atong biscuit ani. Papa is glad, ha? By the way,
Biscuit.
sige na. Sige na, eat na yung biscuit. By the way, nanalo po yung ng Netherlands kagabi versus Poland sa football ba. So, ganun sila ka-supportive, guys. Pag King's Day dito, our birthday ng King, nag-orange din. Tapos may mga banderetas na orange din sa labas. Same din pag naglalaro yung football team or pag si Max Verstappen na may race yung sa Formula 1, nag-orange din yung mga Dutch. Tapos naglalabasan din talaga yung mga Dutch flags. So yung flag namin nabasa, guys, kasi umulan kagabi. Basa yun. Anna will go to school soon. Alas 8:15 na. Itong our kids natin, So, ito na yung final na pabuhok ni Anna today. Practice lang talaga yung nanay. Pero yan, hindi naman kailangan perfect. Basta maayos lang tingnan yung hair niya. Anna, so I'm going to school.
I got to go to school. I got to go to school.
Yeah.
Ik ga met Noah spelen.
You're gonna play with Noah.
Ja. Goed zo, hè?
Alis na yung mag-ama.
Wat weer halen?
Your flag is already wet. It rained, I think, last night, no? Yeah, it did.
Doesn't matter. Is het koud? Oh, is niet koud, gekkie. Kom maar. Warm is ook niet goed, hè?
Niet huilen, hè? Niet huilen op school, hè?
Nee.
Wat is het?
Dat is de zonnecrème.
Mooi, hè?
Doei, doei! Ja. Jullie fijne dag, hè?
Doei, 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 mama.
Doei, mama.
Love you,
Doei, doei,
mama.
meisje. Love you, baboes. Oké, doei!